Today I had the chance to do an amazing dive with Barakuda. It was my first time diving, but after this great experience I can't wait to dive again. My dive instructor was the lovely Angie, who made this trip as perfect as possible. She explained everything to me and never left me, so I felt really safe the whole time. Also, we were so lucky today to see a lot of beautiful fish and even a turtle. I can really recommend this great team to everyone, divers as well as beginners. This makes your stay at Phi truly complete.